Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take apart a Motorola Moto G7 Play. Okay, first you need to make sure that your device is turned off. If it's not, simply hold the power key and select power off. Now it's good to remove the SIM card tray, so use the SIM eject tool, place it, and let's take it out for now. Let's place it next to us, and now important thing is that you need to heaten up the backplate of your phone, because there's a glue, so that is why you gotta heaten it up a little bit. You can use like 100 degrees, 95 degrees to simply loosen up this glue a little bit. Okay, and now once we have done it, we have our back plate. We are going to use the metal tool only for now. In here you got this small hole, this free space. You gotta place a metal tool, not much, don't go hard, you can go just a little bit, and then it's good to use a plastic tool. Don't use metal, use plastic, and we gotta go around it to loosen it up. I think now it will jump. Okay. Be gentle, don't use too much pressure. Also, you need to be aware and be careful, because on the left side we have a tape, so don't go deep inside with your tool. Be gentle. Okay. Don't do anything yet. And now also really important part. We gotta go from right to the left, because if you go from left to right, there's a chance that you'll simply rip this tape. So we gotta go from right to left, and that's how we can open the back plate from right to left, like that. Okay. It wasn't that hard. And now we are going to use the PH00 screwdriver to unscrew. I'm using the electric one, so that's what we can do. Be gentle, don't be in a rush. This one doesn't want to move. Maybe it will work. Again, always use the plastic tool, not metal. Now we'll have to go up, but still it's still holding. That's still holding in here. I don't know what's going on with this one screw. Alright, I have used a little bit more pressure on this screw and now it's loose. Okay, and now let's use again the plastic tool to remove our plate. Be gentle, remember about it. Okay, you can hear a clicking sound, and now it should go out easily. Maybe this one is a little bit too tight. Okay, and here we have it. Place it in a safe place. You cannot miss any screws. Maybe I'll place it somewhere in here. Okay. And now let's remove the tape using plastic or with your finger, never with a metal tool, because you can damage the board. And now let's remove the battery. Let's unplug it. Okay. Also in here. Boom, it jumps out. Also on the left side. Okay. Also in here. All right, it jumped out. I almost missed one screw. I mean, it jumped out, so be patient. Be careful. Okay, also the camera. Here we have it. Place it in a safe spot. And we also need to remember about one last screw that it's right in here before we remove our board. Okay. And now we can gently remove it. Just like that. Really easy thing. Not that hard. And of course, don't forget about this screw that has jumped out in my case. I gotta place it on a safe spot. So, as you can see, everything has worked. When it comes to the battery, you can also unscrew those screws. But when it comes to the battery, be really careful. before removing it. I'm not going to show you that in this video, but you can also try to find it on the internet. As you can see, it worked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.